Hello, dear Family First families. Welcome to February 12th, 2026, on the Family Life Skills calendar. Today, we celebrate Guru Ravidas Jayanti, honoring this revered spiritual leader and his teachings of equality, compassion, and unity. Let's get started. Step 1. Learn about Guru Ravidas and explore his life as a 15th century spiritual guide and social reformer. His hymns emphasize selflessness, humility, and equality. Step 2. Choose a hymn like Begum Pura Sheha Karnao, envisioning a society free from suffering. Take turns reciting verses and focus on their meaning. Step 3. Discuss the hymn's relevance today by asking, what does equality mean to us? And how can we practice kindness daily? Step 4. Draw or paint symbols of unity inspired by the hymn, bringing Guru Ravidas' teachings to life. Step 5. Dedicate the day to gestures of kindness, like helping a neighbor or sharing kind words, inspired by his values. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. Spiritual reflection. Learning values like equality and compassion. Kindness in action. Small gestures create a harmonious impact. Let Guru Ravidas's teachings inspire unity and compassion in your family. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt from the Family Life Skills calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the Family First team. Thank you and all the best.